Hi everybody, thank you so very much for joining me again today. You can see that I am here again with Fernando, and we are here to share our final Frog Street 3's preschool theme of the year with you, because the next time we get together, we will be showcasing some of our summer programming. And you may remember that during the months of July and August, we take a break from the Frog Street curriculum. We still stay connected though with Fernando and our other friends, but we launch into a new series of programming called Discovery Zone. So we are excited to share our very last circle time with you for the Frog Street 3s. And you may recall that last week and this week we were selecting some of our favorite themes to revisit. And you may recall from Greeting Circle as well that theme we chose for this week is colors, to explore all of the rich varieties of colors and different shades that exist all around us. Right, Fernando? Yes, that's right. So let's have a look at just our wonderful words of the week. So remember, primary colors, those are the main colors that exist. It's blue, yellow, and red. Those are the colors for which all the other colors are combinations of. So primary colors, blue, yellow, and red. You got it. Do you remember what our other wonderful word of the week is, Fernando? Do you remember? Well, if our first wonderful word of the week was primary colors, our second wonderful word of the week is secondary colors. And those are colors like green, orange, purple, pink, violet, indigo, turquoise, all of the beautiful colors that are out there, but they're secondary because they are combinations, different amounts of the primary colors mixed together to form these colors, our secondary colors. That's right. Fernando, you wanted to ask something, didn't you? Do you remember what it was? Yeah. Fernando wanted to know what your favorite colors were. Fernando has a favorite color. Do you remember, Fernando? Do you want to share? Yeah, can you guys guess what Fernando's favorite color is? It's the color of his skin. Green. That's right. Green is a combination of blue and yellow. You combine those two colors together to make green. You're right, Fernando. My favorite color is yellow. I feel like yellow is a bright, happy color, and it helps to put me in a very sunshiny type of mood. And my favorite season too is summer, when the yellow sun is out in the sky, and it's a happy time. So Fernando, we have a story today, don't we? Let me pull it out, and then after the story, we have some pictures to share with you. Now this is a story that Fernando actually wrote. And you can see here, Finding Colors with Fernando, and it says written by Fernando. Let's explore it together. Here we go, Fernando. Colors help make our world a beautiful place. Don't you agree? I love to play a game of finding colors. Would you like to help me play my game? I am looking for the color red. How many red things can you find? Do you see red? There's a red flower, a red apron, a red wagon. I'm sure there's other colors of red that you see. Yes, there's a red shovel too, isn't there? Oh, and a red bow in her hair too. Good job, Fernando. I missed that one. Let's have a look. Oh, blue is the color of the sky. How many blue things can you find? I see a blue bag. That's right. You saw the blue swimming pool. How about her clothes? Her clothes are blue too, aren't they? What is Fernando holding? He's holding a blue ball. That's right. A blue ball. Oh, here it is. Your favorite color, Fernando. I really love green. Do you know why? Because it's the color of Fernando. How many green things can you find? Oh, there's lots of interesting green in there. A green shirt. Yes, they're both wearing green glasses. How about in their hair? Yeah, in their hair, there's a bow and a band and an elastic band. And what's on her shirt? That's right, that's another frog. Oh, and one more. She looks like she's wearing a watch or a bracelet. That's right, Fernando. Good job calling that one. Let's have a look. I'm sure there might be more that you found that I missed. Yellow is the color of the sun. How many yellow things can you see? Let's have a look. What's Fernando wearing on his eyes to protect his eyes from the sun? Those are yellow sunglasses. Oh my goodness, and it looks like that truck is yellow. Yes, Fernando, there's a sign there that's yellow. It says Kids at Work. You're right. And I think that he's holding a yellow shovel. Good job. Just look at a couple more here. Oh, purple is the color of violets. How many purple things can you see here? Well, Fernando's holding something very beautiful. Yeah, he's holding some violet flowers. And it looks like some of the costume wear here is purple as well. That's right. Good job. You guys know your colors really well. Let's have a look at a couple more. I am looking for orange things. How many orange things can you find? Have a look. Well, I think they're holding an orange bug net, aren't they? And there's something orange in her hair there. What else? Yes, she sees an orange butterfly. She's holding an orange butterfly in her hands. That's right. And there's orange flowers in the background. You guys are very observant. Very observant. And orange is a combination of yellow and red. Remember our primary colors? Here's pink. I am looking for things that are pink. How many pink things can you find? Let's count them this time. Let's count. I'll have you have a good close look and then we'll count together. 1, 2, her dress. 3, the lid. 4, the fork. 5, the plate. 6, the wafer cookie. 7, the knife. 8, the spoon. 9, the other plate. 10, the other wafer cookie. 11, the cup. 12, the plate. 13, the other wafer cookie. 14, the flower. 15, this bouquet of flowers. 16, the teapot. And look over here. 17, the dress. And maybe number 18 if you count the bedspread that's on the bed. Right, Fernando? I wonder if I missed any. I bet you guys found them. Now let's have a look. Colors make the world more interesting. My favorite color is green, Fernando says. What is your favorite color? Mine is yellow. Let's have a look at a few more colors, shall we? And maybe learn a few signs. What do you think, Fernando? Do you want to help me hold these photos? Let's have a look. Okay, we've got this one on top. Do you remember what that is? That's green. Is green primary or secondary? It's a secondary color. And let's do the sign for green. So you make a G shape, G for green, and you just turn your hand. And that's the sign, American Sign Language for green. That's right. What's your favorite one in there, Fernando? I like that green caterpillar. He's very cute. Let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look. This is yellow. We see a butterfly, a chick, some yellow pears, and a sign. And yellow is a primary color. That's right. Let's do the sign for yellow. You make a Y shape and you just turn it. That's the sign for yellow, our primary color. Now here's a beautiful color. Look at these 4 photos. A toothbrush, a parrot, a beautiful fish, and a bowl of blueberries. Speaking of favorites, blueberries is my favorite fruit. And blue is not a secondary, a primary color. And blue, the sign for blue is just like that. You make your B shape and you turn it with your hand. Blue. Good job. I think you're going to like this picture. Here's the picture for orange. And orange, secondary. You're right. Orange is a secondary color. And we see an orange popsicle or creamsicle, a basketball, a beautiful cuddly orange soft kitty cat, and an orange maple leaf. That's right. And orange is a secondary color. It's a combination of red and yellow. And the sign for orange is just making an O shape under your chin and turning it. And that's the sign for orange. Look at this lovely color. That's a neat color. This is a secondary color. It's purple. And it's a combination of blue and red. Different amounts of blue and red get mixed together, and that makes purple. We see some grapes. We see beautiful flowers. We see a purple cupcake and a purple gift box. And the sign for purple for the secondary color is making your P shape and turning your hand right around your chin. That's right. Okay. Here is our last primary color. You're right. Primary color red goes right along with primary color blue and primary color yellow, our 3 primary colors. We've got a fire truck, a beautiful ladybug, some tomatoes, and some watermelon. Yum. And do you know what the sign for red is? You just take your finger and you kind of tap just under your lip. And that is the sign for red. Good job, you guys. Wow, you did really well. We have a bit of a fun song to share with you. Do you remember what that song is, Fernando? Yes. Bubble, 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 pop. Let's have a look at that song. And we've got some pictures to share with you too. Are you ready? Just going to grab my magnet board here. And for this song, I want you to listen to the different colors that we share with you, okay? And just get a feel for how many different shades of beautiful colors there are and how many different names there are to describe these beautiful colors. So let's go with this one first. This is our red fish. So it goes like this. One little red fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. One little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. And you can go bubble, 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 pop. Make a big popping sound as we sing this song. It's a little bit more difficult for me because I need to hold this magnet board, but if you could do it at home, that would be wonderful. So let's slide our fish over so you can see some more. Two turquoise dolphins splashing in the water, splashing in the water, splashing in the water. Two turquoise dolphins splashing in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. So one red fish, two turquoise dolphins. Let's have a look at the third one. Three lavender octopi squiggling in the water, squiggling in the water, squiggling in the water. Three lavender octopi squiggling in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. I heard you clap. Good one. Are you singing along, Fernando? Now I think I'm just going to move these ones down just in case you can't see my new ones coming up, but I'll make sure I hold it all up at the end. So one red fish, two turquoise dolphins, three lavender octopi, one octopus, two octopi. Now let's listen to the next one. Four emerald frogs leaping in the water, leaping in the water, leaping in the water. Four emerald frogs leaping in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Good job. That's right. Four emerald frogs. So let's just move these down. We'll move these down to make room for our next character who definitely needs more room because it's a big animal of the sea. Now let's listen to what this one is. Four navy whales spouting in the water, spouting in the water, spouting in the water. Four navy whales spouting in the water. Oh, pardon me. Fernando, I said four. It's true, there is four. There's four within its family set of five. So let's sing that one more time. Five navy whales spouting in the water, spouting in the water, spouting in the water. Five navy whales spouting in the water. Bubble, 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 bubble. Pop. Good job. So those are a bunch of different colors that we talked about. So we know our reds. We know red. Red is one of our primary colors. And turquoise. Turquoise is a type of blue color. It's got a little bit of more green in it to make it a turquoise color. And hopefully you can see that color from at home. And we've got our third color, lavender. Lavender is like a light purple color, and it's a mixture, again, of blue and red, different amounts of blue and red to make lavender. a very specific purple color. Now let's look at the fourth color we talked about. Emerald. Emerald is a bright green color. And remember, green is our secondary color. You get green by mixing different amounts of yellow and blue. That's right. Emerald green is a bright, beautiful, vibrant green. And navy is a deep blue color. Like blue jeans are navy. Dark blue is a navy color. And blue is a primary color. So there's all of our fish. This one is a bit of a brighter blue. It's not quite navy. But if you add some darker pigment or even some black to it, it would make a navy color. I wanted to introduce you to some more color words like turquoise and lavender and emerald and navy. And there's a whole bunch of other ones like indigo and violet. We know the rainbow song too. Do you want to sing that with me, Fernando? Ready? We can try to sing it with a sign language if you guys would like. Red and yellow and pink and blue, purple and orange and green. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Good job. Okay, friends, so that finishes off our theme on colors. And we have a song that we want to say, don't we? A song that we want to sing. And it is, are you going to do it with me, Fernando? Okay, listen for the colors in this song. Oh, the color train is coming, see you soon, toot, toot. Oh, the color train is coming, see you soon, toot, toot. Oh, the color train is coming, the color train is coming. Oh, the color train is coming, see you soon, toot, toot. And we'll say goodbye to navy, see you soon, toot, toot. And we'll say goodbye to fuchsia, see you soon, toot, toot. And we'll say goodbye to magenta, we'll say goodbye to indigo, and we'll say goodbye to you, see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody. I want you to ask moms or dads or family members, what color is fuchsia, magenta, and indigo? See you next time.